In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix can't print PDF file, resolve it in 3 minutes vertical bar. When I print PDF file, nothing happens, so you can finally get your documents to come out of the printer. If you're clicking print on a PDF and absolutely nothing happens, it usually means there's a small software or settings issue, not a serious hardware problem. We'll walk through a simple, logical sequence that you can follow on your own computer. By the end, you should understand not only what to click, but why it works, so you can fix it again in the future if it happens. First, make sure your printer is actually ready. Confirm that it's turned on, has paper, and is connected properly, either by USB cable or over the network. On Windows, look at the printer icon in the system tray, or open the printers and scanners settings to see if your printer shows as ready and not offline, or error. If it's offline, try turning the printer off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on and wait until it finishes initializing. Next, let's focus on the PDF itself and the viewer you're using. Many people run into issues printing directly from a web browser. To avoid that, save the PDF to your computer first. Then open it using a dedicated PDF reader, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader or your system's built-in PDF app. This alone often bypasses glitches that happen in browsers. Once the PDF is open, go to File, then Print. In the Print dialog, carefully check that the correct printer is selected. Sometimes the system remembers a different printer, like a virtual PDF printer, and sends the job there instead of your physical printer. Also, look for an option called Print as Image, or similar if you're using Adobe Reader. Turning this on can help when the PDF contains complex graphics or fonts that your printer struggles to process. If you still don't see any output, open your system's print queue. On Windows, you can do this by going to Printers and Scanners, selecting your printer, and clicking Open Queue. If there are stuck or paused jobs, clear them all, then try printing the PDF again. A jammed queue is a common reason why new jobs simply vanish. Finally, if nothing has worked so far, update or reinstall your printer driver and your PDF reader. Download the latest driver from your printer manufacturer's official website, install it, restart your computer, and try once more. Follow these steps calmly, one by one, and in most cases you'll get your PDF printing again in just a few minutes.